Welcome to the next lecture on GPC. We will present an example in this. We will also present a Scilab code for this. Let us start with an IRIX model as given here. A is given here, B is given here, which is 0.4 plus 0.6 Z inverse, K is 1, N is 3. We have chosen N equals 3. Remember, N is a tuning parameter. We have taken N equals 3. So we split 1 by delta A into Ej and Fj as given here, and J goes as 1, 2, 3, 4 as given here. We have not shown the steps here. Later on I am going to give the Scilab code. If you do this division using the long division method explained earlier, it is easy to see that you will get these E values and these F values. And remember, Gj equals Ej into B. By multiplying Ej with B, you get these terms. And recall the matrix capital G. It is arranged as follows. So we can put the values from here into this. So the first one is 0.4, which comes here, and rest are 0. For the second one, it is 1.32 first, k plus 1 comma 1 is this, and this is k plus 1 comma 0, which is here. So we have flipped the two, 1.32 and 0.4, the order changes, 0, 0. Similarly, for the third one, it is the first three flipped and then 0, and finally you complete the last row. So this is the G matrix. In general, this is not square. For example, we could have estimated G5, G6 and so on, we would have stacked them up. In general, it is a tall matrix. These are G terms, we start with that again. And let us get this H1 matrix, which is given here, and K of 1. So this is 0th element, this is first element, 0.6. The next one is, it starts from 2 onwards, this is 0, 1, 2, so it starts from 1.08. Continuing in this manner, we can complete the other terms. Finally, let us start with F equations. And H2 is obtained as follows. We just write this exactly in the form of a matrix. So there is not much change here, exactly the two terms come here and this matrix can be completed. So we have constructed y hat equals G underscore U plus H1 U underscore old plus H2 Y underscore old. We got H2 here. We got G and H1 in the previous slides. Here is the Scilab code. This example is taken from Camacho and Borden's book. The reference for this is given in the book. And remember, we flipped the terms in one matrix, and that is done through this Scilab code. This was already used earlier when we were discussing internal model control. The same function is to be used. And then after computing, we display G, H1 and H2 values in this Scilab code. Notice that we also use the polynomial solver, Aryabhatta identity solver, x, dy and c here. When I compute, I get these results. You can see that these values which are given by Scilab are identical to the values that I showed in previous slides. To conclude, we developed a prediction model for a specific example, a simple example. We illustrated it through a Scilab code. We will develop GPC law subsequently. For that we will require least squares solution. We will discuss these topics in subsequent lectures. With this, we have come to the end of this presentation. Thanks for joining. Goodbye.